Today we'll talk about how can you find your wish list on your Get Your Guide app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do on your app. So you just go down here, you click here on wish list here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this is it's going to show for you like this. Here you will find all here wish list upcoming here in here pass. You will find it here. Like you see here, I have no upcoming wish list yet or less. So, but if you have it, you will find it here automatically on your Get Your Guide app. So that's all you have to do to find your wish list. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.